This way, guys. You can
Where's
hear
that?
me.
Over that way.
Just
right.
follow my voice. Follow my voice. Yeah.
Go straight up there.
Follow my voice. That's right. That's brilliant. That's really lovely.
No idea.
12
sessions.
It was going to be a lot bigger, but we didn't know whether we'd have the time to do it, so it was going to be about twice the height.
Okay.
So this is like a small, modified version.
And you're calling it a sound harp?
It's a harp with tubular bells.
Okay.
Instead of a stringed harp, and it took us 4 2-hour sessions.
Okay.
To build.
Wasn't it 6?
No, 4.
Okay. Oh, all right. I'm not with it.
And whose idea was it?
Well, I found a little toy harp in the skip outside my workshop, and we just had the little toy harp on the desk, and then I kind of thought we could make a giant one.
Okay.
Because we made the giant robot, so I thought actually a giant harp could be cool. It's
So,
kind of interactive. And
who's the most musical out of all of you then?
none of us.
None of you. Well, I think we need a demonstration, really,
Definitely
don't we?
wants demonstration. Yeah. Let's have a bit of a tune.
If you can hit the harp and not somebody on the head, that would be good. Yeah.
Okay, and then Ruairi can have a little blast. So they are actually tuned. So it's C, D. And that's about the extent of my musical.
You've never had a lesson in your life, have you?
So Dan, can you step forward?
Maybe if Dan, if you step to the side, then you could or just
To the left, yeah.
So, bells there, and they sort of go there. Okay. And there's some more down to your right. That's it. And that is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, isn't it?
That's brilliant.
That's lovely.
That's very good.
Excellent.
Breaking glass.
I think Britain's got talent. We've got entries here, haven't we, really?
Cool, well done, Ruairi. The finale.
And you've got to take a bow as well.
All done.
Brilliant.
So we're going to have a demo from Dan now. I think we need to have Dan playing it as well now.
I thought I was going to get
We need a concert from everybody, don't we, really?
Okay, come forward a couple of steps. Right, Dan.
Hi Rob, you alright, mate?
Go on, go on.
Go on, son. Yeah. What do you want me to play?
Can you do Bohemian Rhapsody?
Mind is how it goes. Oh, nice. Like that one.
There you go. You said a little demo. There you go.
Thanks, guys. That's brilliant.